Hello everyone! Welcome back to my crafty world! It's me again, Leia Purty, and I'm here to chit chat with you. Oh, hello. Pero may echo. Hi, Sisi Koy. Bless Mac Mix Vlog. Thank you so much. Nandiyan ka na pala. Oh, bakit meron pa din? Yung phone ko pala. Oh. Ayan, yung monitor ko dito sa phone. Hindi ko napansin yung phone ko pala yung tumutunog. Ayan, okay na yan. Ilak ko muna nga. Ay, ayan. Para hindi siya magulo. So, we are just going to continue what I was doing at my last live last time. So, malaki na siya ngayon. Ta-da! Can you see it? Yeah, I have a background. That's why it's not so visible. But, yep, it's a little bigger now compared from last time. I've been working with this. Well, I keep I keep stopping doing it because my hands is aching so bad. Anyway, I would like to share it with y'all while I was crocheting, but my phone. I think the reason why my phone keep quitting the StreamYard because it starts to get hot, and when it was so hot, it automatically shut down. So that's why I cannot use my phone here. But I love to crochet while talking here, and then my hand is down here working because, you know, I'd rather you see my hand working than like these. Plus, if I am working a little lower, there's a small chance of inhaling um the fibers of the yarn. I'm coughing again. It's from the fiber of the yarn because it has dust. So yeah, and 8 pieces in the house. Thank you so much. I have to suck that cough drop again. I was supposed to live last Monday and yesterday, but wait a moment. I sneeze. But I was so sleepy. I feel so tired, so that's why I just decided not to live. But today, oh, actually, it's just 4:44 a.m. here in Texas. So I woke up to 30 and I get up around 2:39 and prepare food for work for my asawa, equip yourself life skills. And so, yeah, yesterday I fell asleep while crocheting there at my chair, and when I got up, I feel so tired still, and I had headache all day. Oh my gosh. That's why I don't like going back to sleep because that always happened. Anyway, I'm just supposed I actually wanted to make a different project while I'm live today, but because of this problem, my phone doesn't want to work properly. So I just decided to just continue working on this blanket. Hey, 10 Pixies in the house. Thank you so much. Sana magsalita ay sana mag-type sila ano. I still having coffee. Ayan, coffee. Yeah, yesterday I was drinking coffee while crocheting, but I still fall asleep. So I did not finish my coffee yesterday. I'm sure Kuya Pudik's still asleep. We have the same time. He lives in Chicago, but we have the same time. So it's just 4:47 a.m. there. I did not put my ring on. I took it off earlier while I was preparing food. I forget to put it back. Yeah, I was supposed to start the live earlier around 4 o'clock or before 4. I just keep trying to fix my phone camera, but it's really not working. I'm starting to get mad. So I just stopped doing it. I thought, I'm just going to start my live, whatever. Okay, quiet. Seems like there's a mosquito that get in here. It's biting my legs. Oh, by the way, this here I did not make it. I bought it. Hello, Dehenya! Mega love shout out. Kamusta? Anong balita sa radyo at TV? Buti naman may kausap na ako. Kanina mag-isa lang ako. Shout out sa iyo. Gumawa ka na ba ng ng playlist ng mga upload videos mo? Para I will play that. Buti nakita mo ako naka-live. Maaga pa sa akin. And hindi na naman gumagana yung aking phone para sa pagla-live. Kaya ganito na naman itsura ko. Kitang-kita niyo na naman ang aking malaking face. Ito di ba yung ginagawa ko nung last time? Yung sinimulan ko. Malaki na siya. Tingnan ko nga kung dihen niya. Tingnan ko kung meron ka nang nagawang playlist. Ay, ang kati ng ilong ko. Ay, wala pa rin siyang playlist. Sino ba yung nagpe-play neto nung yung last? Ayan. Ayan, di niya. Nag-play na. Ito naman kasing naupuan ko eh. Asan na kayo? Ayan, para hindi siya higa ng higa. Pag sumasandal ako, humihiga eh. Kalimutan ko na naman yung kape ko. Malapit na siyang lumamig na naman.